Hello all, welcome to Cognitive Hub channel. This is Venkata from Cognitive Hub. You guys have supported me throughout my talent lectures and previous Tableau as well as SQL lectures. This time, based on your request, I started doing content related to Talent Cloud. Here we will get to know the complete information related to Talent Cloud in a span of 10 lectures. And these lectures includes right from installation to scheduling jobs. And one thing I want to mention, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now and share this channel to your friends and colleagues. And if you have any doubts related to Talent Studio or Talent for Big Data or Talent Cloud, please comment it down. I will probably reply within 24 hours. And lastly, please help Cognitive Hub channel to reach more people around the world. It's time to get into the main video. Okay guys, in this video I am going to explain you about how to connect with Talent Cloud and how to install the Talent Studio from cloud. So for that what I am going to do is, so first of all go to your Chrome or whatever the browser that you are using and search it for Talent Cloud, and you will be having you will be getting this type of screens. So what I will suggest you is, under the www.talent.com you will be having these options like data integration, introduction to Talent Cloud, and get started with the Talent Cloud, and get to know the cloud and cloud integration, data integration solutions. Within those six sites, I will suggest you to go to this one, get started with Talent Cloud. So because we need to create one Talent Cloud user account, and one thing I want to mention here, so we will be having two just like a Talent Studio, we also having here enterprise version as well as a free trial version. And if you want to know about the Talent Cloud version, if you are not in the project but you want to know about the Talent Cloud and you want to publish the jobs to cloud, then I will suggest you to use the trial version. And moreover, just as a reminder, the trial version will only available within you with that particular email only 14 days, and after that 14 days it will ask you to upgrade your version for like with some subscription. I think the subscription was very costly for us, but what I will suggest you is, if you want to learn, then I will suggest you to download the free trial and just learn it within 14 days, because there is nothing much in the Talent Cloud. All is dependent upon just how you will be configuring and how you will be publishing and how you will be connecting and giving the permissions to the users. So I will explain you, but for now what I am going to do is, I will explain you how to install the no, it's not about installing, how you will be connecting with Talent Cloud free trial version, not with the exact the actual version. So if you open that get started with Talent Cloud, if you scroll down, you will be having two flows here. What I am going to do is, under the create your flow or join the community, whatever it may be, we have a Talent Cloud portals here. So click on the Talent Cloud portals. It will redirect to the another website in a new tab. So it will ask you for the login. So what you need to do is, here there is one, I have already created one thing, that's why it is already showing those accounts. But if you didn't have any account, what I will suggest you is, click on sign up here. So if you click on sign up, it will ask for the region first. So here region, please click on East on AWS, that is fine. But first name, just give your first name whatever it may be, and last name, give your last name. And business email, I will suggest you to give some Gmail account that you have personally, because don't use any business emails when you are using the free trial versions, because whenever you are in the business and you are working on some project, you obviously having some the business emails from the clients with the licensed version, that means enterprise Talent Cloud versions. But whenever you are using these trial versions, I will suggest you to use some personal emails. So here whatever it may be the email, give the genuine email, because you will be getting the separate email to for confirmation and setting the password as well. And here phone numbers, please give one of the phone number, and country code, give one country code, if it is India, give India, and if it is United States, give United States. And in the company, you can mention it as a student, or if you are currently working in any organization, then you can mention it as a whatever may be the company that you are working. And industry, we have industry option as education. If you are not in the project but just you are doing this for learning, then you can click on education purpose, and then at the end click on this I have read and accepted the terms of use. And once you are done with it, click on I am not robot. So once you've done that, the start your trial version will enable, and click on the trial version. So I am not doing all these steps because I have already created just today itself, so that's why I am not doing this. So once you click on this trial version, start your trial version, one email will be sent to you, and in that email, you will be getting a email stating like this is the type of email that you will be getting. So what it will show is welcome and thank you for signing up, and what it will show is please complete your registration within 24 hours by using the link below and start your 14-day trial. See, this is the 14-day free trial, and once that is completed, it will ask you to upgrade the version. So what it will say is it will give you the domain name. As it is a trial version, you can't select your own domain name. If it is a business one or some enterprise version, then you can select whatever it may be that business domain name that you want. But here the domain name is, as a trial version, it automatically got it, and it will be useful whenever you I will tell you where this domain name will be useful further. But for now, whenever you get this mail, click on complete registration, and what it will suggest you is it will suggest you to reset the it will suggest you to edit the password and repeat the password. So what it will do is whenever you get this, please select the password with the following information like capital letter and small letter and special case and numbers and whatever it may be there. Give your password and same password, please repeat it again, and once that is done, click on login. So if you did that login option, then it will automatically log into the actual studio. So what I will do it now is I will go to the actual studio, not this one. Now let me try this. Now once that is done, it will automatically log in. If not, go to this particular website, portal.us.cloud.talent.com. so what I will be doing is the similar steps what I told you, I have created with my user credentials, and now I am logging in. So if you observe this is what the UI it will appear. What it is showing is your trial expires in 14 days, and what you need to do after that is you need to upgrade. So this is how it will look like, the Talent Cloud UI. And here if you click on the select app, it will ask you to select all these things, but only thing that we need to main focus on is management console, because all the remaining things are not related to the developers, but the major thing that is related to the Talent Studio is management console. So this is where you need to manage all your jobs and schedule your jobs and run in the different environments like development or unit or whatever it may be, or in the production, whatever it may be, depending on that you need to run this. And when you click on that management console, these are the options that you will be available, like operations management, projects, engines, environments, promotions, configurations, users, groups, roles, subscription, and whatever it may be. And I will be explaining you about the few of the things in the coming lectures, because it can't be possible to explain all these things in a single lecture. So what I will do is, in this lecture I will just keep this lecture to let's just connecting to the Talent Cloud, how we need to install the Talent Cloud free version, and how we need to download the Talent Studio from the Talent Cloud itself. Because the now if you suppose if you are currently using the Talent for Big Data trial version, then in that particular version it is not possible to you won't be getting a publish to cloud option or publish option. But if you want to get that publish to cloud version or publish option, you need to download some specific Talent Studio from the Talent Cloud itself, because Talent Cloud has a specific talent talent version or Talent Studio that is specifically described here. So currently I think whenever you want to download such type of studio, go to the downloads here, like click on that username, click on your username, and here you will be having downloads option. Open that downloads option, and here there are a lot of options are there, like Talent Studio and hybrid updates and remote engine and remote engine gen 2. Suppose if you want to install this separate remote engine, then you need to click this, and if you want to engine some other type of remote engine, you need to download this one. And if you want to just update the studio, then you need to install this one. But here what we need is, we need a complete studio, that means Talent Studio we need, which is in relationship with the Talent Cloud. So for that what you need to do is click here. Here if you want server if you want only for the Windows server, then click here installer for Windows server. If you want only for Linux, click here for Linux. If you want only for Mac, click here for Mac. But if you want all in a zip file, then click on this archive all platforms. So I think the size will be very like very small difference. It is 1.5 and Linux is 1.6 and Mac is 1.6. but if you consider archive all platforms, it is just 1.7. so I just clicked 1.7, and the version is the latest one. We have only one version available in the Talent Studio, that is 7.3.1, and you need to download this particular version here. I downloaded it here. So if you click here, it automatically downloads, but here for now I am cancelling this download. Why? Because I have already downloaded the studio. So this is the archive version of that. Total it is 1.7 GB. I have downloaded it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just extracting this here. Yeah, that's it. So if this extraction completes, then you need to start your studio exactly how you have done it previously. Yeah, it is almost completed. Now it is 93%. Yep, it is done completely. So if you extract here, it will be in this separate project. If you open that if you open that folder, then here this is the application that we need. So if you want to put it in the desktop, then you can right click here, and you can like click you can add it as a like shortcut, create shortcut. But for now I am not doing anything. Just this is how you need to install the Talent Studio from the Talent Cloud, and I have shown you how you can go through this thing, like how you can install this and how you need to open the Talent Cloud and all. In the coming lectures I will be explaining you how to generate a personal access token and how you will be using that particular personal access token in the Talent Studios in order to get it open. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.